I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your computer. So first you want to open up your browser and then search for VS Code download. And then you want to click on the first link. Now you will need to download the Visual Studio Code for whatever operating system you're using. So in this case, I'm using Windows. So I'm going to install the Windows version. Click on download and it should automatically start downloading. Otherwise, click on this direct link here. Now it should start downloading the installer or the setup for the VS Code program. Now you will need to run the installer and follow the steps to install the Visual Studio Code. Just accept the agreement and then press next, and check this if you want to create a desktop icon. And now hit the install and wait for it to finish installing. Now once it's done, you should find the VS Code in your desktop, or you can look for it by typing VS Code and then open up the application like this. And this should open up the Visual Studio Code where you can start using it by creating projects and adding files. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. I'll see you on the next one.